Hello everyone. So I'm going to start from chapter trigonometric functions. So first, to start with the example sums, there are some formulas that we have to know. So then we'll start with the example sums. So firstly, when a degree measure is given, how to find a radian measure. So when a degree measure is given, the question will be convert degree measure into radian measure. So when a degree measure is given, if you multiply that degree measure by pi by 180, you will get the radian measure. And when a radian measure is given, how will you convert it into a degree measure? So whenever a radian measure is given, you will multiply it by 180 by pi. That will give you the degree measure. So here there are some of the common angles that we use in our trigonometric functions. You might have noticed this earlier, studied this in your class 10th, in your previous class. These are the standard or some common degrees that we use, angles that we use. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360 degree. Okay, let us solve for each one of these conversions. One of the examples, let me take and solve it for you. So firstly convert 30 degree into radian measure. Okay, so to find a radian measure, it's this, the given thing is in the form of a degree, right? You wanted a radian measure, so you should go with the formula radian measure is equal to, what is it, pi by 180 into the given degree measure. Okay, that is equal to, now the radian measure is nothing but pi by 180 degree into degree measure is 30. Okay, cancel out the end zeros, 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18. Okay, that is nothing but pi ones are pi by 6. So here you can see that 30 degrees nothing but pi by 6. Okay, now similarly, let us convert one of the radian measure into degree measure. So question goes like, convert pi by 3 into degree measure. The given is in the radian measure, convert into degree measure. To find degree measure is nothing but 180 by pi into radian measure. Okay, radian measure. So how will you find the degree measure? 180 divided by pi into radian measure is pi by 3. Pi by 3. So pi and pi cancelled out. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18 and 0. That is nothing but 60 degrees. So here you have to pi by 3 we had taken here. That has given you 60 degrees. I hope you have understood this. Let us go to the first example problem. So here we have the question example 1. This is from the textbook, NCERT textbook that I've taken. So example 1 goes like, convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. Okay. Now first of all, starting from the right hand side. So this is degree, this is minutes, and there is one more seconds. Okay. So you will get some x degree, y minutes and z seconds. This is how it's read. It is red. 2 lines is nothing but seconds. So you have to start from here. First you have to convert seconds into minutes, then convert minutes into degrees. Okay. Then the total degree measure that you have got, then you have to convert into the radian measure. Okay. Hope this is clear now. So let's start. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. So first you write the question. So 40 degree 20 minutes is nothing but, now we want the whole thing in degrees. Okay, so how will you convert it? 40 degree as it is plus 20 minutes you convert into degree. How will you convert minute into degree? By dividing it by 60. 20 degrees. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So it will be 40 degree plus 1 by 3 degree. So this you just taken LCM out of this here. How will you do? Here there is no denominator. Just mark it as by 1 since there is no denominator. Now first do the denominator. For denominator just multiply the given denominators. 3 ones are 3, and for the numerator sign will be the one that is in between here plus. Okay, and for the left hand side 40 into 3 120, 1 into 1 is 1, that is nothing but 121 by 3 degree. Okay, this is a degree in total that you have to convert into radian measure. Now here goes a formula to find radian measured. What do you have to do? You have to multiply the given degree measure into pi by 180 degree measure. Okay, so the radian measure is obtained by multiplying pi by 180 into degree measure is 120, 121 by 3 degree. So nothing cancels out here. So that is nothing but 121 into pi is 121 by 180 into 3 will be 540. This is the radian measure. So finally the answer for 40 degree 20 minutes in radian measure is nothing but 121 pi by 540. I hope the solution was clear to you and has cleared your doubts as well. Thank you for watching. If my content is useful to you, has helped you learning, kindly do share with your friends as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.